Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share a digital kit with you. This is a collaboration between myself and ARTYmaze. So I have one kit in my shop and ARTYmaze has the other kit in her shop, and I will link that below. The kit is called Blossom Rose and this is what we have. So I accidentally printed this out at 90%. That was my boo-boo. So it is actually bigger than this, but I wasn't printing out another 25 pages. So I will do a quick flip. Like I said, collaboration between myself and ARTYmaze, and ARTYmaze will be listed below on her Etsy, and this will be listed in my shop as well. So that's one page. There's the other. I can't believe I done that. I just forgot to change the settings because I had it. The last thing I printed was at 90%, and like I said, you won't get all that space. And we have this one. So there's 25 pages of, and there's a lot of background pages as well. So, and with the background pages you can do lots of things with. You could, like, you could chop things off and make top tucks and bottom tucks and side tucks, and you can make tags. You can use them in background on on your tags, and you could make pockets out of them and envelopes. There is envelopes in the kit, so there is a lot to play with in this kit. Like I said, all the information will be below. And then we're getting on to the ephemera side of things. You get these roses that you can cut out and some tabs. They would be nice if you fussy cut them out and maybe emboss them, or put some, what do you call that stuff, glossy accents, or just some glitter on them. Make them pop a little bit. Then we have some postcards here with some tickets, and the smaller postcards there. And like I said, they are bigger than this, just my boo-boo, with my printing. Tags, so you've got 3 tags there, and 3 tags there. Now, just so you know that, because the last time myself and Andrea done a collaboration, people were like, oh, they thought I'd stole her work. I haven't stole her work. This is a joint, a collaboration. That's why it's called a collaboration. She had people message her saying, oh, I think Yvonne's stole your work. Which is really nice because, people are loyal, and I like that. So we got these as well. I love these, and I love the fact that they've got words on them as well. That would be great on your front cover, on your topper. And then these little cutie pies. So yeah, it's a very large kit. Excuse me, got my heating on today, it's a bit chilly. And then you get 2 envelopes as well. So that is the kit, and like I said, I will have this listed down below. I will have Andrea's kit listed down below as well. Obviously there will be similarities, but it's not a carbon copy. So I'm looking forward to playing with this. Andrea has been doing some beautiful projects with tags and stuff at the moment, and I think she's got a tag challenge up on her Facebook group, which is ARTYmaze and Friends. If you want to pop over and have a look at that challenge, I think I'm going to take part in that because it will go well with this kit, like with the shabby vintage ladies. So yeah, so there we go. If you have any questions, just ask. All the links will be down below, and have a great day. Bye.